It's another Rev Your Engine. What gear are you going to get to today? I'm hoping we're going to kind of push it, maybe get into 5th gear. Are you a Formula 1 racer? Have you seen the salaries those guys make? I think I could do it. I think I could. Just kidding. All right, you're gonna need a pair of weights, but one pair of weights for your upper body. I want it to be something challenging. So not something where we're gonna have to do very high reps, and we'll take some breaks in there. No weights for lower body, but I'm gonna hit you with some different tempos. So it's gonna be the speed at which we are working that's going to knock those legs into 5th gear. Or, I don't know, whatever gear you can reach, Formula 1s. All right, if you've got a heart rate monitor, I'd like you to start it up, please. Pick something like cross training, because we're gonna do a little bit of cardio and a little bit of strength training today. And then I'd like you to get your legs wider than your hips, and I just want you to kind of do side to sides for me. Oh yeah, baby. Maybe it comes into a figure 8. So maybe you can start pushing the hip a little bit forward. And notice that I'm lifting the heel off the ground as I'm kind of moving. And then I'm going to just let those hands flail around a little bit and roll back. Just kind of feel your spine, particularly your mid-back. Kind of roll through all the vertebrae. Maybe drop your chin, lift your chin. Kind of just move through the entire spine. Nice. Hello. How are you, spine? Good. Now I want you to start slowly walking those legs in so they're not wider than the hips. And then I want you to slow it down. Give me a big inhale. Look at your hands as they touch. Exhale. Let's do that again. Big inhale. And exhale. One more time. Exactly like that. Big inhale. Look at the hands. Let the head drop back. And exhale. Beautiful. And let's just march it out. Good. I want you to make those knees come up in front of the body. Good. That's it. Nice job. All right. Last 10 seconds here. I want you to just kind of hustle with the knees. Come on. Hustle with the knees. A little bit faster. Get a little bit uncomfortable. Get a little bit breathless. I know it's kind of early. Good. 30 seconds. Heel to the butt. Your arms, I kind of want them to keep moving. You know, find a rhythm that works for you. That's it. Good. That's it. Nice job. And now, kind of hustle. Hustle with those heels coming up. 10 seconds. That's it. That's round 1. 3, 2, back to the knees. March it out. Your pace here. So if you want to just march, that's fine. If you want to lift those knees a little higher, that's fine. All right, 20 seconds here, and then a hustle. I want you to speed it up, get uncomfortable. In 3, 2, just 10 seconds, let's go. Speed it up. Come on. 3, 2, heel to the butt. Now we can have our hands. Want to make it a little bit more challenging. Woohoo! Hi. Or we can one at a time. Good. 3, 2, 1. Hustle. Heels come back. That's round 2. One round. 3, 2. Come on, hustle. Good. Back to the knees. Are you sweaty? Should be a little bit. That's it. Your pace. Pump those arms, keep them moving. 3, 2, let's go. Are you using the arms? Yes. Come on. 3, 2. Take it up behind. Whew. That's it. Yeah, anything with those arms, as long as they keep moving. And the heels are coming up behind you. 3, 2, hustle. Push it. Get to the end of that race. Did you see Richardson? Woo! Right at the last second. Oh, well, it was less than a second, but you know what I mean. All right, big inhale. Really good run. So proud of our St. Lucian athlete. World stage. 5th in the world from teeny tiny St. Lucia. Good. All right, let's stretch it out. Let's take that right leg forward. Hip flexor into pushing back into that hip flexor into your hamstring. I want you to bend from that hip, not from the waist. Flat back, just hold it there. Nice and steady. Now, if you can, feel that hamstring. If you can go a little deeper, go ahead. Good, switch it out, other side. Now take your time here. We're doing static stretches. Bend from that hip flexor. Flat back. Push into that hamstring. Not too crazy. Feel it. Can you go a little deeper? And take it out. Excellent job. Quad stretch, right leg. Both hands. Now notice I'm going to have my knee slightly forward. That prevents from having an intense stretch. And now I'm going to try and line up the knee. Good. Let's go to the other side. Knee slightly forward. Feel that quad. Can you pull it and line it up? Oh, don't fall over. And release it. Good. Open the legs nice and wide. Release the hips. Other direction. Excellent. Good. Shake it out for me. All right. Catch your breath. We're about to begin in 20 seconds. All right. A 5-minute cardio set. In 3, come back to me. In 2, it's all fun and games until she takes off her glasses. Toy soldiers, let's go. So we're gonna do 30 seconds here, toy soldiers. Now make sure you're bending the knee before you kick. That's a little bit safer on the joints, especially as you get tired as we progress through the workout. Good. We have 10 more seconds here. That's it. 3, 2, now 30 seconds hustle. Something you know, just a hustle. Yeah, knees coming up in front. So you're slightly tilted forward, but you're pulling through the abs. You're not letting it hang, you're lifting it. As fast as you can. Another 15 seconds to go. Good job. Get uncomfortable. All right, you should be in 3rd gear at least. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Toy soldiers. 30 seconds. Round 2. We have 5 rounds. It's a 5-minute. Now I want shoulders above hips. So now you're kind of lifting the chest. That's it. Opposite hand to the foot or to the leg. 3, 2, 1. Hustle. 30 seconds. You got it. This is all we're doing for the 5 minutes. Maximize. Come on. That's it. You got this. Pump those arms. Pull the shoulder blades back so you're not dropping into it. 3, 2, round 3, toy soldiers. Yes. Those legs should be nice and warm now. Those hip flexors might be talking. That's it. Three, 2, hustle. Get sweaty. Get uncomfortable. That's what's going to strengthen that heart-lung connection. But you should still be able to talk or curse me, whatever, I don't know. Come on, push it. End of round 3, 2 more rounds to go. We're past halfway. Toy soldier. Nice job. That's it. Shoulders above the hips. Bring that leg up. Reach that hand out. And all right, don't be shy to open up your mouth and breathe. Here we go. Hustle. Round 4. 1 more minute to go. Come on. Pump it. Pump it. Can you go a little faster? 3, 2, last time, toy soldiers. Your pace here. That's it. Nice. Get that foot past the hip. Kick it out. Come on. So these kicks are working the core. So it's like a twofer. Cardio and core work and coordination. Let's go. Come on. Can you move left and right? Can you move forward and back? Come on. Make the brain work a little bit. Come on. Less than 10 seconds. Hold it still. Push it. 3, 2. Whew. 5 minutes done. Wipe drink. Hiya. All right. We are heading to strength training in the legs. No weights. Some of the moves are going to be both legs at the same time. Some of them are going to be unilateral. All right. The challenge is really the isometric, the hold. All right. That's going to be your challenge. Yes. So we're going to do an isometric hold to begin and an isometric hold to end for each exercise. Very similar to something we've done a little while back. I don't know if you remember. All right. Get something to drink. All right, that's 1 minute. I'm going to let you catch your breath. All right, how we doing? Getting ready. I can see you're coming back. All right, here we go. Okay, come back to me, legs hip width apart. We're starting in 5 seconds. It's going to be a squat hold for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, down and hold. Now, knees track over the toes. So whether the knees are past the toes or behind the toes, that's entirely up to you. The more the knee is over the toe, okay? Yeah, it can be beneficial to the joint, but if we're holding it, it might start to ache a little bit. So if you feel that ache, pull back a little bit, come up a little bit, all right? That's your option. All right, we're not gonna move the feet. In 3, 2, 1, 10 singles, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, go as deep as you can. 2, try and keep time with me. 1, down and pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, make it small. 4, 3, 2, push it up. 2 counts down, 2 counts up. 1, slow and controlled. 2, don't rush it. Muscle under tension. 3, don't rush it down, don't rush it up. 4, chest up, belly in. 5. We have 5 more to go. Make them the best yet. Two more. We're not moving the foot. One more. Now you come down and hold 30 seconds. Right here. Now you're going to want to move. Don't. I don't even want to tell you how much time has gone by. Hold it. Come on, stay with me. Breathe. 3, 2, shake it out. There you go. Catch your breath. Now we're not done. You ready? All right. Legs hip width. Right leg back. Bend at both knees. 30-second hold. Let's go. So this is a lunge hold. Both knees are bent at 90 degrees. Now make sure your hips are over your shoulders. That's going to be very difficult in this position. Make sure your shoulders are over your hips and that bottom knee is under the hip. Okay, nearly there. Hold it. All right, come up, single time. Let's go. 10, as deep as you can. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You know what we're doing next? Pulse at the bottom for 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come up, down to up 2. Muscle under tension. Five to go. One more. Down and hold, 30 seconds. Bend both knees at 90. Now it might start to shake, that's okay. 15 seconds. 10. 5. Shake it out. You see why we don't need weights? All right. You did it on the right. You need to do it on the left. Catch your breath. Legs hip width. Come back to me. Left leg back. Gonna bend both knees to 90 degrees. 30-second hold, let's go. Come on. That first 30-second ain't too bad, but it's biting because this leg is tired, right? Hold it. Shoulders, hips, knee. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come up, single time. Let's go as deep as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bottom half pulse. 10, 9, 8. Come up, down to up 2 for 10. No rest. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, even it out. 4, 3, come on, come on. I know. One more. Come on. Down and hold 30 seconds. Let's go. Oh. 15 to go. 10 to go. 5 to go. Shake it out. Oh. One more leg exercise. Oh. Walk it out. Yeah. So, why is this so good? Because the muscle's under tension for like, I'm not even sure how many minutes we're doing exercises, but that's why. All right, I'm going to turn to the side because we're doing a sumo squat. Legs need to be wider than the hips, toes turned out. Okay, you want your knees to be as wide as possible. 30-second hold. Let's go. Now you're aiming for your groin to be in line with your knees, but if it's not, that's okay. I don't want it below the knee. I want it at knee in height or a little higher. Okay, that's the 15-second mark, a little bit more. Toes are turned out, right? We have 5 seconds. Good, single time, let's go. 10, now I go as deep as you can. 9, 8, 7, 6, push through both heels. 5, make sure both legs are working. 2 more. 1 more. Down pulse. Are you with me? Come up, down 2, up 2 for 10. Muscle under tension. Push through both heels. 5 to go. Hands off the legs. Brace yourselves. 2 more. 1 more. Down and hold 30 seconds. Lift that chest, flat back. That's 10 seconds. Twenty seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, shake it out. Good job. Wipe, drink. Catch your breath. Excellent. How are they feeling? Please don't forget to send me a lovely note later on today. Gosh, Suzanne, I just love it when I work out with you. And I think about you all day long. Evil laugh. All right, we have about another 30 seconds and then we're going into the second round of cardio. All right. Okay, what's going to make this one challenging is they're going to do upper body cardio. So we're getting down on the ground, standing back up, okay? 5 times only. 5 times only. Are you ready? Make sure you got some room. Mountain climbers. In 5, 4, 3. Hands under the shoulders. Let's go. 30 seconds. Sorry, somebody is speaking to me. Yeah, AI. Butt down. How fast you move those legs is up to you. Again, we're doing some upper body and core work here. I'll tell you when it's up. Come on, keep pushing. 3, 2, stand it up, kick your butt, hustle, come on. Now, if you come up slower than me, that's okay. If you come up faster than me, that's okay. Just go, come on, feet come up behind. Kind of what we were doing in the warm-up. 30 seconds, let's go. Come on, let's go. That's minute 1. Come on, take it down, mountain climbers. It's not meant to be easy. Butt down. You're not in down dog, you're in plank. So the butt is behind the shoulders. I'm seeing some butts up in the air. Bring them down, bring them down. In 3, 2, stand it up, kick your butt. I know, I know. Make those heels come up behind you. Come on, I know. Part of it is getting to your edge, and this is going to make you get there. That up and down alone is challenging on the heart. Minute 3, let's go. Head up, chin up. If you have that head up, chin up, your butt's gonna drop. Come on. Part of it is coming down to the ground. That's the challenge. It's part of the aerobics. Less than 10 seconds, come on. Stand it up, kick your butt. Open your mouth and breathe. Heels come up behind you. No longer in 3rd gear, huh? Come on, come on. No rest here. Go slow, no rest. Come on. Your edge, it's just 5 minutes. All right, we are past halfway. This is the end of minute 3. Down on the ground, minute 4. 30 seconds here. Your pace, just keep moving. Part of it is being steady about the movement. That's one of the ways you check fitness. Your ability to stay with it. Pop it up, heel to butt. Your ability to stay with it. So, by getting down on the ground, we are also working ankle, knee, hip mobility. Yeah, really important. Keeping that joint really able. Guys, it's our last minute in 3, in 2, in 1. Let's go. Mountain climbers. Find something uncomfortable and do it. Suck that belly in. Core work. Stand it up. Kick your butts. Last 30 seconds. Come on. Come on. You gotta rest after this. Yeah, I know. I don't care how long it takes you to get up off the floor. Once you get up, start. Let's go. Push it. We have 10 seconds. 3, 2, catch your breath. All right. That is 10 minutes of cardio. Yeah, with a little break in between. White drink, got a nice long break. We're going to upper body. All right, we're going to be doing the same idea with upper body. Okay. All right. Okay, that's 1 minute. You got a little bit longer. Allow yourself to catch your breath. All right, guys. Here's the plan. We're going to do upper body. We're going to do one more 5-minute round of cardio. And then we're done. I love to say, and then you can go home, but you're already home. I love to say that. I love it. All right, that's 30 seconds. 30 seconds left. Wipe it up. Mop it up. Yeah? Remember, sweat is a sign that your mama's mitochondria is working. By the way, your mitochondria is from your mother. You know, what does the sperm carry? I don't know, male pattern baldness, that's about it. Really, everything comes from the X chromosome. Anyway, that's a biology major joke. I see nobody else is laughing. All right, here we go. Pick up your challenging weights. You might have another pair out. If you want to switch out, you can. All right, here we go. Hammer curls to begin, 30-second hold. So we're going to come halfway and hold it. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Now chest up, elbows directly under the shoulders, belly sucked in, chest lifted. Now, if you have lower back issues, or hip issues, or knee issues, bend the knees ever so slightly. Yeah, that'll help. Okay, we have another 10 seconds. Good, single time, all the way down, all the way up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now come past halfway, but not all the way to the top pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, all the way down, up 2, down 2. Slow it down. 10. 9, muscle under tension. 8. 7. 6, come on. 5, control it. Let it get tight. 4, 3. We have one more. 30-second hold. Are you ready? Come up halfway. Hold it. Chest up, belly in. Halfway. Now, make sure there's a little bit of space between your elbow and the side of your body. Chest up, chest up. 10 seconds to go. Come on. Morning, sweet girl. 3, 2, put it down, rest. Just gonna shake it out just like we did the legs. All right, let's go, pick it up. Upright row, 30-second hold. In 5, 4, 3, 2, lift those elbows. Now if your elbows can't go higher than your shoulders, that's okay. This is also Okay. Less than 15 seconds. Chest up, belly in. Pull those shoulder blades ever so slightly together so you're not rounding the back. 3, 2, 1, single time, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come all the way up, pulse, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, lift the chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, all the way down, up 2, down 2, slow it down. Wrap the fingers around the dumbbells, all of them, including the thumb. Come on, working that trap. 5 more. Come on. One more, one more. Up and hold, 30 seconds. Let's go. Chest up. Whew. It's killing. Make sure your wrists are below the elbows. So I don't want this. I want this. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, Mississippi. Let it down. Feel that upper back. That's it. Wipe. Get ready. 2 more exercises. Are you ready? Overhead press. All right, here we go. Okay, pick up those weights. Overhead press at the bottom of the move. 3, 2, 1, 30-second hold. Right here. Strong wrists for me, please. So elbows in line with the shoulders, wrists above the elbow. 10 seconds. Feeling those lats. 3, 2, bring the elbows down to the side of the body, overhead press 10 singles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, all the way down and up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come halfway, pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, down, up 2. Slow it down. Don't rush it. Ooh, I might have to change out my weights. 2 more. 1 more. Come halfway. Hold 30 seconds. Oh, can you do it? Oof. Gotta change out my weights. Oh, come on. It's okay. Working to your edge, your max. Less than 10 seconds. And rest. 1 more exercise. Oh, the shoulders are feeling it. All right, you're gonna use 1 weight for the last exercise. It's gonna be an overhead tricep extension. Let's pick it up. Slightly harder grip. Wrap your fingers around. Hold it. "20 seconds to go." Now make sure the weight is not too low. It's right behind the elbows. I'm counting, that's why I'm keeping the 30 second. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Your shoulders are going to cry. Single time. 10, 9, 8, 7. These are quick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pulse halfway. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Push it up. Down to up to 10. Not too fast. Muscle under tension. Five. Slow it down. 4, 3. So working both fast twitch, slow twitch fibers. 2 and 1. Come down halfway. Hold for 30 seconds. Count with me. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Holy, did you do it? Oh, I'm so proud of you. Wipe, drink. One more 5-minute cardio. All right, we're gonna do all of the exercises. We're not going to do them at the same amount because it's 5 minutes. We're going to run out of time. All right. So minute 1, 3, and 5 are going to be just like the first round of cardio. Minute 2 and 4 are going to be like the second round of cardio. All right. Yes, I did that on purpose. The second round, to me, I don't like mountain climbers, so we're doing them less. You know, prerogative of the instructor. All right, are you ready? I'll give you another 30 seconds rest because those hands, aren't the shoulders crying? Are they saying like, Suzanne? That's the little violin that's playing for you. All right, guys, 10 seconds. You remember we're going to start with toy soldiers. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 30 seconds of each. Let's go. Minute 1. Are those hands like heavy? Oh, mine are. That's okay. Ten more seconds here. Let's get really uncomfortable in the next 30 seconds. 3, 2, knees come up in front. Let's go hustle. Heading into minute 2. We have 15 more seconds here. Minute 2 is down on the ground, mountain climbers. A lot of us have our butts way too high. I want everybody to bring it lower. Get down in 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. Mountain climbers. 30 seconds. Butts lower, come on, bring them down. Drive those knees in, suck that belly in. 10 seconds. Take it up. Kick your butt. Take it behind you. Ten seconds to round 3. Heels come up behind you. Toy soldiers. Get uncomfortable with it. What gear do you want to get to? This is your last push. Think about core work here, as well as cardio. Three, 2, hustle, hustle, knees up in front. Come on, guys. What am I saying guys for? It's women in the house. What a way to start your Tuesday. Sweaty. Get it out of the way. All right, heading into minute 4. I hate it too. Let's go, mountain climbers. Last time at mountain climbers. Thank you. Thank you. Butt down. Drive those knees in. Suck the belly in. Get uncomfortable with it. Shoulders directly above the wrist. Push the fingertips down. Less than 10 seconds. Come on. 3, 2, pop it up. Heels up behind you. Come on. Oh, you're either with me or against me, and nobody's against me. Come on. Heading into round number 5. 15 minutes of cardio. It's a good gauge. Let's go, toy soldiers. This is it. Your last minute. So really push yourself to the edge. Think about technique. Think about speed. Think about your breath. Less than 10 seconds. Hustle. Last 30 seconds. Come on. Left and right. Forward and back. Come on. Hold it still 10 seconds. Pump. 3, 2, earn that rest. Well done. Good job, sweet cheeks. If you can't wring out the sweat in your towel, did you work out? Yes. You moved today. What a way. What a way to start it. Proud of you. Well done. All right. Okay. Take a last sip of water. Walk it out for me, please. Universal sign for tired. We're all doing it. I know, you did a fantastic job today. Legs were not easy. Arms were not easy. And that cardio, those little pushes. All right, let's stretch it out together. So I would like you to put all your weight on your left foot for me, please. And then big circles with that knee. Open it up and back. Regain your balance if you lose it, like I just did. Good. few more. Bring it up high. Last one. Good. Grab your foot, quad stretch. Now this time knees straight in line with each other. Okay, hold it there. Both hands on that foot. Get that right heel into the center of the glute. Balance. Now you're going to bend that left knee, pull that right knee back, arch the back, lift the chin. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Release it slowly. Take that foot out in front. Hamstring. Come straight down. Shoulders in line with the hips, and then reach for that foot. Pull and flex that toe towards the chest. Push on that calf. That's it. Push on that hamstring. You should be feeling both. Excellent job. Release, round, roll up. That same right leg. Big step back. Push into the heel. Now you should be pushing into the heel so much that the heel cannot touch the ground. If it's touching the ground, take a slightly bigger step. Good. Now lean forward on that left leg. Push into that right leg. Excellent job. Good. Bend your knees. Push yourself up into standing. Just let the hands go. Stretching out that mid back. Turn the head over the shoulders. Good. That's it. Good. Slowly stop swinging. Look at me. Big inhale. Clasp the hands. Palms to the ceiling. Tips of your thumbs to me. Wiggle those thumbs. Lift the chin. Good. Now pull the hands back. Arch the back. Let the head drop as much as you can. Good. Release the hands. Come back to standing. All right. All your weight on your right leg. Left leg. Get that left heel to the center of the glute. The knees are in line. Balance. Good. Bend that standing leg, not send. That stand and bend together. Arch the back. Good. Release it slowly. Take the leg out in front. Shoulders in line with hips. Good. Reach forward. Pull on those toes. Pull those toes towards the chest. Flatten the back. Head up, chin up. Should feel it in your calf as well as your hamstring. Push the butt back. Good. Bend the knees. Roll it up. Left leg all the way back. Again, it should be such a big step that your heel is off the ground. Push into it. Lean forward on it. Proud of you. Excellent job. Bend both knees, come to standing. All right. Good. Clasp the hands, palms to me, thumbs down to the ground. Tuck the chin around the back. Good. All right. Excellent. Place the hands behind the back. Pull the elbows back. Chest forward. Nice. Round the shoulders forward. We are nearly done. Good. Let's stretch out those shoulders. Good. First the bicep. Tricep. And now the shoulder. Watch. Watch how I keep the body square. Try and get that hand across the body. Now turn your head and look over that right shoulder. Stretching that trap as well. Good. Release it. Left hand, bicep. Tricep. So proud of you for showing up this morning. Shoulder. Get that left hand straight. Pull it along the body. Now turn your head over the left shoulder. Good. And shake it out. Roll those shoulders forward. Roll them back. Nice. Big inhale. Look at the hands as they touch. Exhale, bend the knees, graze the fingertips to the ground. Big inhale. Exhale, one more time. Bend the knees, graze the fingertips to the ground. Last time. Big inhale. Look at your hands as they touch. Hold them there for a second. Bring your hearts down to the heart of the matter. Say something good to yourself. You are amazing. Thank you so much for working out with me. A complete pleasure. Can you see the sweat dripping everywhere? Let's see if I can stop this recording. Are the fingers going to work? Thank you so much. Have a great day.